Hey guys, Flabaliki here today and welcome back to Software Inc. First thing we're going to do is actually pause the game and change our teams up because what you guys said in the comments made a lot of sense. It was the fact that we have, OS and OS programming, but sorry, I hit the microphone. But the regular OS team over there, which is our design guys, aren't actually doing anything. And even if we put them in the programming team, they're not going to program because they're assigned specifically to design. So we can have everybody in the same team, but still working on two different projects at the same time. So yeah, there was no need to do that, which I didn't know. So thank you very much for the comments down below, which were helpful. Well, some of which were helpful, some of which were, come on guys, let's not get too mean. So we're going to get change team. You are all going into OS team. Close that up. Now, yeah, everyone's out of that one. Disband that team. So the OS team, as you can see, we have many more design people than coding. But everyone in their respective fields should be pretty damn good. Yeah. Everyone is, what they're supposed to be doing, they're all pretty damn good at. There's our artists. Up the top, we have all the designers. The lead is probably the worst person on the team. So we will probably train them up in almost everything, I feel. All the designers are amazing. So that's good. Everyone's specialized very, very nicely. Let's assign that back to the OS team so they can keep working on that. Now, what we've also got to do, because we've done that, is fix up some of the room assignments, because a lot of these are assigned to none now, which we don't want. So let's select, well, that's already OS. Let's select the rooms that we want to assign to all of the OS team. I don't think I selected that room. There we go. That's fine. And, oh, are you serious? That just deselected everything because okay. All right. Doing it again. Selecting all the rooms. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Did I select that one? I think so. Let's try that again. OS team. Okay. No, I didn't select this room, obviously. But let's do it now. OS team. There we go. So the only rooms that shouldn't be assigned are the sort of main hallways that are just connecting the level below. None. The rest should all be assigned to OS, artists, and programs alike, which is good. All right, so now, all the designers are still doing nothing, which is fantastic. Oh, I don't know if I'd call it fantastic. But let's go ahead and start a new operating system, actually. What I do need to do, which I should have done, which I always forget to do, is bring up the comments of the previous episode, because I'm pretty sure that there were some suggestions for names. Probably. Let's have a look. If it would load any slower. I mean, you'd think by now I would be used to these, I'd be semi-professional in preparing my notes. I don't know if there actually was another name suggestion, because I think a lot of people were just saying you don't need separate teams. There might be. Someone said you call a visual tool F-movie, which we can do, but do another operating system. Yeah, we're going to do that. They need new computers. Oh yeah, we can upgrade all the computers. We'll do that in a minute. We actually also, the other thing we need to do. Okay, let me just come back into the game now. The other thing we need to do is upgrade the server for the operating system, because it's at 100% and it requires 27% load. So we're severely underpowered. Which one's the operating system? Let's have a look. OS Dev. Oh wow, that's severely underpowered. So we'll fix that up in a minute. How's our store going actually? 59%, that's perfectly fine. Right, so first few things, I don't know why I made that sound. First few things, let's upgrade these computers, which supposedly we can do. So we'll get these guys first. Core team is apparently doing nothing, so we'll get them on something soon. And there's one over in my office. I think that's all the computers downstairs. Actually, no, there's all the marketing as well. All these guys. Oh, I say all the marketing. We have 2 marketers. There we go. Brand new computers, guys. Enjoy. Let's jump upstairs where we have way more computers that we have to upgrade. So let's go through all of these. Your work. Yeah, guys, make sure to save your work, because we are just throwing out the old computers. So apologies if you lose anything. Even if you're in the middle of a document. Well, tough. Now, that should be all the computers up here, I think. Yeah, 3 in there, 1 in there, and then, I don't know. You guys will yell at me in the comments down below if I missed anything anyway. So we'll be fine. Now, we're basically just going to make a brand new server. Let's just go ahead and get rid of all of these, because they are now completely obsolete. They're also severely underpowered, so might as well just get rid of them all. There we go, and off you trot. Thank you very much. Build mode, and let's get some new servers. So I'm going to go along here. So we need, what did we need? For how much power did we need? A lot. And how much power do these provide? Do you tell me? No. Well, I think it's 2. Because I think that's 1 power. These are 2 each, if I'm not mistaken. Also, this room is not big enough. We will expand this room in just a second. Oh, we don't own the land that way. Well, we'll expand it later. So we get all those in. Okay, so now this should be more than enough to accommodate, all of our operating system needs. Whether or not the room is cooled enough is another question. This actually might not be enough with the operating system. We don't know. Are those connected now? Yes, they are. Good. Let's jump back into here. Servers. Server 0 is going to be OS dev. Rename. Now we need to assign this to OS dev. Okay, so now, yeah, 27 power, and that's 48. So there's plenty of room on there. So enjoy the new server space, guys. Hope you backed up on the previous servers because we just threw them in the garbage. Yeah, we're not very good with our file systems. All right, let's just select all these and make sure super cooling is on as well while we're at it. There we go. So super cooling is on. Let's have a look at the room. Yep, temperature is dropping down to bouncing between 0 and 2 degrees Celsius. So it's nice and cold, and that will do well. So these servers appear to be quite red. Is that red in terms of... Does that color actually change depending on the load, or is that the color depending on something else? I don't know. But then now those are red. I'm confused. Is that the color of these lines? Is that... But then that's red. I don't know. Maybe it's just saying they're being used. Maybe that's what it is. I have no clue. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. All right, let's go back upstairs. Let me just close all these. We don't really need those there anymore. So now we have... yeah, OS team is all back together in one big group. Like that. And actually, we'll see them... Oh, they're all on vacation. The only person here is this guy. Well, you're the lead. Why aren't you on vacation? Shouldn't you be on vacation as well then if everybody else is? I know I never take vacations, but why aren't you on vacation? Marketers are in as well, so they're having a jolly good time. Yeah, but I don't know what you're doing. This coffee is... Someone's having great coffee downstairs. Okay, well, anyways, let's just wait till tomorrow till everyone shows up again. It's amazing. We only really need 2 marketers to do everything. If we were getting to the point where we didn't have enough people to do all the jobs... we would definitely... sorry about that little vibration sound. I'm just putting my phone on silent because I forgot. Yeah, no, if we're getting to the point where we weren't marketing everything, we'd get more, but we only really need 2 people. So there's no point. All right, so everyone should be back today. All you guys downstairs, about you are actually still not doing anything down here. Maybe what we'll do is we'll get some deals and we'll chuck them on to the core team here. Let's see what's the most expensive one here. Development game, 19,906 per day. Core team, sure, let's go do that. Why not? So they will have a meeting and then go work on that. Do we need to complete that every day? I don't actually I really don't understand how deals work. Really should have read up on them properly at some point. All right. So, wow, that operating system is coming along very quickly as well. Like, it's filling up quite quickly. But let's go ahead and start a new operating system. Oh, all right. This is going to be, I don't know. Do we actually have anything new, or is it just all the same stuff? Like, did we have HD audio before? I mean, I don't know. I mean, let's... Oh, we have auto update, though. So there you go. Okay, no, that's new. That's definitely new. Multi-threading, multitasking, plug and play, GUI, 3D rendering. This one recommends 24 people. Networking, audio, 3D. Yeah, I mean, I'm sure we have a wide gamut of people available to do that. We can always hire a couple more people. So that is everything on top spec. This is going to be... so we have Dorit OS. What were the other suggestions? I don't remember... Oh, that makes my voice sound great. No, I don't know. Let's go... We can't call it Dorit OS 2 because we can't technically make a sequel yet until that one's out. So... Oh... I don't know, man. I know there was probably good suggestions. Let's call it... So what does Apple have? They have Mac OS. What the hell is Mac? Macintosh. Why don't we have... We could have Flabintosh, so we can have Flab OS. Flabos. It sounds awful. And it's a really bad name. Let's go for... Man. I'm not good at coming up with names, especially on the spot. Oh, let's call it Fukatos. There you go. There's going to be Fukatos operating system. That's how you pronounce it. I'm 100% sure on that. We will need... Oh, no, that's a server, actually. We'll put that... Why don't we... Okay, let's... Can I actually jump into build mode while that's still there? Oh, I can. Good. All right, let's go down to the server rooms. We're actually just going to... Oh, no, I need to mirror it. Mirror it. Which I can't, so what I'll do... Why don't I just clone this room? That'll be the way to go. Yes, please. There we go. Okay, so that one's just duplicated. We'll get a door down that end and a window. Then we will connect all these together because I presume they weren't connected. Good. So this will be for the operating system auto update. Definitely way too big right now, but whatever. We can always downsize it and change it and, you know, do stuff. So this is going to be server 11. OS auto update. Oh no, there's going to be Fukatos auto update. Deployment server. There you go, that's what it will be. And then we can make a Fukatos dev server as well if we need it. So right, server is going to be... Oh, it's not there. I have to close and reopen it. That's annoying. I had to do that anyway. There we go. Fukatos operating system. Now we're going to select everything again. Make sure that we have it all. Plug and play, multitasking. We're just going to pump out operating systems. That's our new plan. That's our new plan for success. Okay, this is going to go to Fukatos deployment. The development can be on OS dev. Probably need to expand that, I would imagine, if we're going to have two. Actually, no, only one's going to be developed at a time anyway, so that'll be fine. Open source? I don't think so. No dependencies, and over OS coverage 100%. Well, obviously. Let's get on that. Now, what can we get rid of here? We probably don't need to market fevolved 2 anymore. It's just annoying. It's just taking up space. Let me get rid of that. Cool. All right. So you guys should now be working on the new operating system. Fukatos, as it is, you know, beautifully named. I don't know where that came from. I don't know what word that stems from. So when this gets to... Why did I not put that on core dev? Oh, maybe it already was. When that gets... Do I just promote it and then... Well, they're obviously having a meeting now, so that's annoying. Do I promote it? Or do I leave it there? I'm going to promote it, I guess. Release. Okay. 34 employees are on vacation. Oh, that was ages ago. All right. Well, hang on. Let's have a look at... So, obviously, fevolved 2. That was a while ago. Let's have a look at... not all software. I want to look at my software. So, we can see our releases. Release date. All right. So, now, when was our last... So, we had Antivirus in 91. Which I don't want to worry about just yet. We're kind of halfway through the developmental operating system, so I guess we might as well start working on something new. We can make a new visual tool. So make fevolved 3. That'll be exciting. Oh, look at our reputation. That's great. Yeah, because that'll be quite old then. And then we'll work on ftunes 4 and fstop next 3. Oh, it'd be great. We've got so many possibilities here. Oh, actually, someone wanted me to make fmovie. Let's do that instead. Let's go visual tool. Oh, we can make a web-based game too. Oh, we'll work on that soon. Fmovie, visual tool, original IP. This will be on core dev and QA. All right, so what operating systems do we have here now? 1989. It's still quite old. And I think this gave us some new stuff, right? And then as soon as we add that one, it gets rid of it all. Oh, we still have image editing. But Slothface... Okay, well, considering this is a new IP, why don't we go... That's it. We're getting rid of all the old operating systems, only supporting Slothface. We only have 15.4% coverage, though this could be... This is a new venture for us. And then we'll move Fmovie over to our own operating systems, of course, and then no longer support anybody else. All right, develop. I've said everything right, haven't I? I feel like I've missed something. Anyway, you guys work on that. That will take you about 1 month or something like that. Dorit OS is coming along. It's very slowly, but you know, that's the whole point. We're starting the design process while the other one's being, you know, programmed. We'll send the leader of the team on some education soon, I think. Wow, we got a lot of money. Let's dump some back into our insurance fund. Let's go 7 million in the insurance fund. That'll make everybody happy. Yeah, no, we have quite a lot of... I think I might start balancing these back out a little bit. You know, just so it's not so uneven. You guys can have like... Why don't we go 50%? Wish I could just set that exactly. And then 25 and 25 is what I wanted to do. 25. And then... Oh, jeez. And then 20... I mean, realistically, that's close enough. Yeah, so we still get junior level employees. We have a lot of money there. 13 million. Let's put another million in there. Why not? Let's go for it. 1.4 million. Let's put that in there. As long as we don't run out of cash. So we have 196,000 per employee for health insurance. Oh, damn, we got some good health insurance. And then not so good on, you know, life insurance or pension. But we'll increase that. We'll just keep dumping more money in there and then everybody will be happy. And that's all that matters. Let's check our server, see how we're going on everything. Load is fine. That load is more than fine. Let's have a look at our store, actually. Which is ours? The Flapple store. There it is. Now, popularity-wise, we're not doing so bad anymore. We're doing pretty good. We might... Our cut is so low. Like, why would people not want to use it? We have the most number of contracts, but we're still not the most popular, which that might... I don't know if that relates to our reputation, which it might very well may do. I don't know. Let's have a look at while everyone's doing their thing. That's almost ready. Wow, yeah, the core team is very bad at 3D, I think, because they're taking forever on that. We might actually get the core team, and I don't think anybody is a 3D designer. Oh, actually, no, they are, but I guess there's not enough, is probably the thing. After this project, we might just do some bouts of education after Fmovie before we start doing anything else, because we're kind of waiting for the operating systems to be done anyway, because we want to make our own programs for our own operating systems. And then once the operating systems are out, the OS team will keep doing their thing, and then the core team will move them into doing the applications for our operating systems. And what we may actually end up doing, and I don't know if this is a good idea, but maybe we should have either the core team or a new team on the 3rd floor will have working on applications for other operating systems, so not our own, and then we'll have all our in-house stuff as well. I don't know. I'm just trying to think of ways we can do some new things. I know we should definitely get a game dev studio. So we'll have people working on applications and we'll have dedicated game dev and that kind of stuff. I think that's probably what we're going to try and do here. Damn, you guys are slow at 3D. These still don't need to stop marketing. They're still making a lot of money. How much does everyone want? That'll cost me 11,000 additional a month. That's actually not that bad. Sure, whatever. Happy December, everybody! December, the pay rise month for some reason. I don't know why, but it is. It's not even the start of anything. Outstanding. There you go. Develop that. That'll probably be much quicker to develop. Is that still okay on the server? The server's pretty damn old. That's perfectly fine. Why don't we get that out on the street? You know, get the word out so everybody knows about it. What is this? Project manager support. We don't have any support things anyway. Let me just hide some things here, because this might... Let's start using this little thing a little bit more so we can see what's going on. Why are these still here? I've unchecked everything. I don't understand. I don't understand what's happening. So, marketing, when I check that, everything appears. No, those two appear, I think is what's happening. But then how come it's not disappearing? Oh, I don't know. Let's just leave these all checked. They clearly don't... I don't understand why when everything's unchecked there's still 3 things here. Is it because they're not completed? Is that what this means? Is when I show this it shows completed tasks? Because, but then that's not completed. That disappears. I don't know. I don't understand this. Seems kind of random. Anyway, let's stop dwelling on that. Our reputation is fantastic, so that's good. You guys are working on F movie. We're marketing it as well. Dorit OS is coming along very nicely. That's almost ready to move into the bug phase. Now, I'm wondering who works on the bugs. Is it everybody? Because I don't want the design team doing bug bashing. We'll test it out in a second because I have no idea. What I'll do is what is this? An error occurred. Okay. An error occurred just now, which might cause the game to break or become unstable. All right. See error. Yep. Okay. That probably would explain why that wasn't working. Is it when I do this? Hang on. Let's see. See if it makes the error again. No, there's no error there. I don't know what that was for. It was a GUI error though. Oops. Clicked on another window. I don't know. Either way, everything else seems fine. If we notice anything else getting a little bit dodgy, we'll restart the game in a second. Still marketing those. They're still making money, so, I mean, keep at it, I guess. F-movie marketing is coming along very nicely, you know. No problems there. Outstanding. Promote F-movie into the bug bashing phase. Dorit OS coming along very nicely as well. And Flab OS is coming along nicely too. You're heading for bankruptcy. Well, we're not really. Like, you say that, but we're clearly not heading for bankruptcy. Okay, these are finally starting to not make much money anymore. But we'll, you know, we'll keep them on the market for now. All right, let's get that out. It's already been marketed, so that's fine. All right, the core team. What was I going to get them to do after that? Oh, education. That's what we're going to do. Okay, let's go manage teams, core team, because they're not that bad. But let's go through and, you know, play to everyone's strengths. So me, I am a god, so that doesn't matter. Let's leave me alone. We did that a while ago. You, what we'll do is we'll make you better in design. We'll go educate. Let's just work along this here. Let's go designer, audio, and 2 months, off you go. And then you can also do audio, sure, why not? You can also do audio, just because it means I don't have to keep doing it. Now, am I doing this right, designer and audio? Oh, no, you know what? I didn't do any of that right. I like how I checked afterwards. Oh, dear. I meant to do programming audio, obviously, and now, again, people are going to be upset that I did that wrong. Yeah, well, okay, well, it's too late now, guys. Now, you actually are supposed to be a designer in audio, so we will do 2 months on you. You can do some networking design for 2 months. Yes. Did I skip? Hang on, I'm confused now. I feel like I skipped someone. I'm really confused now. So I sent you off on audio, and I sent you on networking. You can do audio because that's your worst. There you go. You can also do audio. Oh, no, we'll get you on system. You're just you're just like a wild card. I think you're supposed to be a programmer, though, by the looks of it. So why don't we get you to do some system programming? You can probably... We'll get you up in network design, because that seems to be, out of all of your things, is like kind of the weakest. So network design. You can also do network. A lot of people are lacking in network design. Not that I really think our core team needs network design or network programming, because I don't think they're going to be doing anything that really utilizes that, but whatever. They're going to do it anyway. All right, you're not very good at anything. I mean, obviously, you're supposed to be an artist. Are you like the only artist on this team? I feel like you are. Like, there's some people that have good art skill, but they're not actually good. I mean, you're supposed to be an artist. I guess I probably I think I did you in system, didn't I? Oh, you're kind of arty. Most of them are pretty bad, though. Oh, well. Anyway, so they're all off on education. Oh, full reputation. Fantastic. The OS team is having a ball upstairs. So Dorit OS is almost completed. It's only great, though. It's not, you know, outstanding. When did we start that? I don't know. I don't think it's taken that long, though. This method of sort of splitting up the teams, or splitting the team into sub-teams, seems to have worked quite well. F-Movie didn't do that well, but then that's probably because it was only on one operating system with 15% coverage. Either way, it still made us money. So, like, I mean, hey, that's a win for me. Right, so that's almost good to go into bug bashing mode. So let's see, when it gets to... I might actually market that as well. let's get that out to the word out to the public, you know. So they'll start on that. So maybe by the end of today. Yeah, it's outstanding now, but it's still not completely. What is going on in there? Stuff is unable. Oh, okay. Hang on. Everything's going wrong. Everything's going. What? Oh, because there's a light above a plant. This game's stupid sometimes. This game is really stupid sometimes. Like, why? Oh no, there's a pot plant. We can't get to the light. I'll move the plant then. Doesn't look as good now. It's kind of randomly over there. Oh well. Now, what I want to do is, again, pause again, because that's almost, like, full. I'm going to assign this to no one. We're going to just unassign Dorit OS, and then that is good to go. So now we've promoted that. Let's see. So they're doing bug fixing. So yeah, okay. So it's only the programming guys that do bug fixing. I just wanted to see what the design guys were doing while there's bug fixing going on. So let's go sign that back to the OS, and then they'll continue working. Well, obviously not today, but whatever. I'm going to start marketing FTunes 3 because we'll want to release a new one soon anyway. Dorit OS marketing is coming along. Got a little bit of money. I mean, again, if we run, you know, low on cash, we do have 15 million in the insurance like funds, so that's fine. So marketing F movie, that could probably also be stopped, and also F stop next. They're both pretty bad. So there's really no marketing going on except for Dorit OS right now. We may need to release some cash cows soon, because right now we're not really making anything. But we'll have to wait till the core team comes back. Maybe we'll do another sort of antivirus or something like that, because there's not really. I don't have enough time to sort of sit around and wait for Dorit OS to come out. So tomorrow, let's see. Yeah, we lost like $100,000. So let's go ahead and develop an antivirus. And this will only be on... Oh, is there a new operating system? There is. Pending 3. Oh, very bad coverage. But we will support it because I think it should have some new features. Yeah. All right, so what I'm going to need to do, actually, is... So what is what in here? That is Dorit OS in there. This is a store. That's the core dev. What we need is we need some antivirus servers. I really need to, like... I feel like we should color code these a little bit. Maybe we can go... Oh, yeah, we should match it to the team that it's sort of going with. So the core dev is in here, isn't it? So why don't we get that sort of blue color? Can I... Oh, Jesus. Can I... If I can click properly. That color's there. Is that color going to show up down here? Because I only want to change the wall color. I don't want to unify the style. Alright, fine. We'll just... somewhat mirror it. Actually, is there... No, we'll do it this way. Alright, interior is going to be that color. But maybe we'll make it like subtle. Or why don't we go this way? This way might be better. So it'll be a kind of like grey. Wait, hang on. Let's go back to a similar sort of grey that we have. But then we'll infuse the color like that. There you go. So that's going to be the core team area. Whose is this? OS Dev. So they are... sort of a lilac-y kind of color for some reason. So let's try and get that. Right, this is going to be over there. Alright, so that's the OS team. And then in here is also the OS team. So what we'll do is just unify those two. This is just for everybody. It's miscellaneous server room. So what we'll do, we'll actually add in... should we... I'm just wondering if I should add in... 0 degrees in that room. If I should add in the antivirus in there or create a new room. Actually, what we'll do. Here's what we'll do. We'll create a new room. I'm going to go actually create a new hallway. Oh, actually, no, we're not. What we'll do, I'll expand it down to here, if I could speak. So just so we get the elevators in the hallway there too, which will be useful. So that's going to go all the way along. And then we'll actually just expand these rooms just so they meet up with that. And then they're also bigger for future expansion, which is nice. So that will go down to there. That will unify style. Those doors are in kind of weird places. Sure, I could move them. And I will. I wasn't going to, but I decided I will move the doors. Get some of those in. Oops, I put a window into nothingness. I think I just replaced the door. Oh, actually, we're going to have elevators there, so I'll get rid of that. Get rid of that one, and also get rid of that one. And I did replace that door, so let's change that. Okay, now we need to get the elevators. There and there. So then, yeah, they can come down from the lobby, which will be nice and convenient as well. And then we can get some lighting in. Lighting! Huzzah! 3 cheers for lighting. For some reason. Alright, anyways, the whole point of doing that was so we can get another server room. We'll actually put it down here, just considering we got room here, so let's do that. So it'll be that wide. I don't know if that's actually a good size. We'll find out in a second. We'll have a door at that end, as we normally do. And then a whole crap ton of windows, just for funsies. Just because it looks kind of cool. Cool. Alright, now let's see. So we need, I think, we're going to need... Well, the development server is going to be on the core. We're probably going to need to make that bigger. And then we just need the sort of OS online, not OS, antivirus database kind of thing is what we need. So we're going to go into our servers. Get them in here. Now, how do I want to do this? Because we got 1, 2, 3. We can't really... We can have 3 rows of servers if we do it that way. So, because we can go like that and then have them back to back and then have another row there. Which I guess we may do that. What we'll actually do, we'll just go 1 row of servers for now. Because I highly doubt we're even going to need this many servers. I think even this is just too much. So, I think I've already overdone it. But, you know, future expansion reasons, of course. There we go. Link all those together. Then let's get some lighting. Otherwise, everyone's going to be upset that I didn't get any lighting. So let's do that. One there, one there. So yeah, we're going to have a row there. And then this is going to be a walkway. And then I'll have lights there too. So there and there. And then maybe... Oh, there's no... Is there a middle? No. We might go there and then there. That'll work. Somewhat even spacing. Get some more lights in the hallway there. Oh, damn, that's bright. Look at that. That's fantastical. And then servers. This will be Antivirus DB. Yeah, rename. More powerful than the core dev server, which we're definitely going to have to upgrade. I'm not even going to bother doing that now, though. Right, so that actually is all underground there. Looking pretty nice. Now, we need to start developing a antivirus. F-stop next. It's going to be F-stop next 3. Good. This is going to be on core dev. And it's going to be on Penthing 3. Stupid freaking OS name. Would you ever buy into a an operating system called Penthing 3? Sounds so stupid. Alright, and then the server is going to be on Antivirus DB. Because, yeah, there's a virus database. Visual tool. Oh, yeah, no, we have fmove. We just made that recently, didn't we? That's good. So we use that. Now, we have OS coverage of 3.65%. Oh, that's awful. That's not going to make any money. We're going to definitely have to put it on Slowface to at least get some more. Oh, we can still have all that kind of stuff on there. Can we add... No, actually, no. We decided we're not going to support anything else. But we can still get all of that new stuff on there. So that's good. So stability is high. Usability, medium. Innovation, medium. Expected interest, 100%. All right, if you say so. And, all right, they're going to have a meeting about F-stop next 3. Marketing is doing absolutely nothing. But that's because they really don't need to. Yeah, no, I understand we're heading for bankruptcy, but we've almost got an operating system out on the market, guys. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. But if it doesn't make money, I'm going to be really sad. I'm going to be really, really sad if that doesn't make money. All right, so how much are we going to lose? We got... Oh, that's a lot of money we just lost then. Well, not lost, but, you know, there's expenses going out. 298,000 yesterday. Maintenance 143. Oh, actually, you know what we didn't do? I totally forgot. So we didn't do any ventilation. But the server's not really being used yet, so that's good. There's no worries. Temperature. Let's get all of these. These are all obviously going to run along the wall here. This will most definitely keep it all cool. Very easily. We may need to start hiring more IT. Oh, jeez. I was getting stuck in menus. Yeah, we may need to start hiring more IT if... yeah, because this guy's going around doing stuff, but I don't know that we have enough of them. So let's actually manage staff, because we have one IT guy that comes around. Oh, no, well, that's maintenance. We have one maintenance guy that comes around and one IT. I think we need more of everyone, really, at this point, because we've got so many servers and ventilation things. Let's get more maintenance. They can also come in. Let's go 7 a.m. Maintenance will come in. And then, so we have 2 bouts of maintenance. Let's get another IT. No, I don't know if we need more IT support. Unless people start getting really unproductive because their computer's not working, I think we should be okay. But I think IT does servers as well, so maybe we will get more IT. Maybe they don't. I actually don't know. I mean, I would imagine that they do, but who knows? All right, these guys can come in at 7 a.m. Work on servers. You're working away nice and diligently. But yeah, it looks like the sort of maintenance, it might be sort of falling behind a little bit. Cleaning still seems okay. Why is this room flickering? It's really annoying me, but, you know, it's our server room. Nobody cares about that. All right, Dorit OS is almost completely bug fixed, which is fantastic. There it is. Release. Yes, of course I want to market it. Come on, guys. But we already announced it. All right, so that's out. You guys are just sitting around and waiting until the previous guys are done with Flab OS, and then we can pass it on. All right, here we go home. I've got to wait till like 11 p.m. How did Dorit OS go? Let's see. 1.6 million. Not bad. That's a pretty good start. It's no 10 million, but if that's the start, then it will certainly be pretty damn good over the next few years. So now that that's out, you guys down here, which I believe are on vacation. Okay, thanks guys. Really bad time to go on vacation. All right, we'll wait till they get back. They're working on f-stop next. We might actually just cancel that project and just start a new one for Dorit OS, pretty much. Operating system, no, not operating system, what am I doing? We're going to go antivirus, because that's probably one of the most important things. This can be brand new name. It's going to be F virus. F stop. No, we already did F stop. How about F block? Oh, wow, what a good name, guys. Yeah, it sounds awesome. All right, this is going to go on Dorit OS, which is apparently outside. We have very good coverage, actually. I think we've got the most coverage. Yeah. Suckers, suck on that. We got the best coverage. Which we might actually end up competing with ourselves with Flab OS when that comes out. But we'll see how we go. All right, this is going to have everything, of course. And the server is going to be on Flab OS deploy. No, it's not. It's going to be Antivirus DB. We don't have a new visual tool. Visual tool is quite old. Actually, no, it's only from February 92. We're in July. That's fine. We'll use our one. All right. And that will be signed to the core team when they eventually come back. Make an F block the best antivirus ever. So they'll come back and do that eventually. Marketing will eventually do something too. Yep, so everyone's on vacation. I feel like I should have changed the vacation. I guess it doesn't really matter when they go on vacation though, does it? Not really. Look at the compatibility. Great teams, guys. Great teams. You work really well together. Product has been reviewed. Actually, let's see. Airtown 12. I don't care about that. Dorit. Oh, okay. Well, all right. I wanted to see. Oh, here we go. Like, that is the shortest review ever. It's like if I made a YouTube video, it's like, hey guys, James here today, and I'm going to be reviewing new Windows 10. Windows 10 is a masterpiece. Windows 10 is another brilliant release from Flapple. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. It's like, okay guys, you could have done a little bit better with the review there. It's pretty pathetic. All right. Anyways, we're working F block on our brand new operating. Okay, they're having a meeting. Oh, all right, guys. All right, so that's still being designed. I mean, the programmers really have nothing to do at this point. I can't really give them anything to... I guess I could... No, we still need designers. I was going to say, I guess I could give them another project, but I can't because you need designers for that first anyway. So, yeah, they kind of got a few months off to do absolutely nothing. Which is fine, I guess. But yeah, no, that's definitely... Dorit OS is definitely making us bucket loads of money. It is doing very, very well. Let's see. So release date. Dorit OS is there by Flapple. $1.8 million profit. So we have actually returned a profit now, which is nice. In terms of my releases, where does that sit? Nowhere near Ftunes 3, which for some reason gave us way too much money. How did that make us 10.5 million? I don't know. Dorit OS will keep making money for a while though anyway, so that's fine. Let's see. And then tomorrow, that should bump up a little bit further. Oh, there it goes. Second most profitable piece of software we've ever made. Just under FTunes 3. It's still outstanding and popular too, so that's good. Alright, so this is almost ready to... Okay, well, we're going to have a meeting. Not a great time to have a meeting, guys. Let's get the job done. Let's get that developed. Alright, actually, let's have a look at the... they still don't need a server upgrade, so I'm not going to bother. They do not need a server upgrade, so there's no point. How's our store going? Alright, and no other servers are overloaded, which is nice to see. How is our store actually going, though? Popularity 20%. Where does that sit us? Pretty low. Pretty low, actually. Physical store. These guys I have active deals with, right? Yeah, so I've got deals with all these guys. So I'm selling in all the physical stores. Then the online stores, I am not. Yeah, so no, except for my one. I wonder what would happen if we just stop selling our stuff on other stores. Let's do it. I wonder if we just instantly make less money, or maybe our store will become more popular. Let's pull an apple. We'll pick one physical store, the most popular one. We'll keep a deal with Missed Play, and then you can only get it digitally on the Flapple store. How about that? Let's try that. Let's see what happens. If we have a significant drop in sales of Dorit OS, maybe we'll undo that. Let's see. Obviously, we can expect a regular drop in sales. We actually earned more. All right, well, no worries there. We earned more by doing that. All right, so F block is almost ready to promote. There you go. It took a few months for us to get out the antivirus. Okay, guys, come on. Let's also start marketing that too. Get the word out that our antivirus is on the way. No need to worry, guys. We started marketing a little bit late, but that's fine. That's fine. Okay, now the core team needs to work on a new audio tool for, obviously, Dorit OS. Release date, yeah, we are the late. I was wondering, I was like, wow, there's a lot of operating systems that just released. But no, they didn't. Okay, so there's going to be music editor and QA. Visual tool is going to be... Oh, we didn't make a visual tool. Maybe we should do that first. All right, let's make it... Oh, we don't really need to. No, let's not bother with it. All right, let's go back to audio tool. All right, this is going to be FTunes. FTunes... No, not 3.02. Let's just call it 4. We're dropping the 0.0 now. We're moving into, you know, the early 90s. It's getting pretty futuristic at this point. So, you know, that's how we do now. Dorit OS. Visual tool is going to be F-Movie. Yeah, that's what we want to use. Music editor, QA, core dev, core team. All good. Off you go. That shouldn't take very long to do anyway. FTunes 4. Marketing team has finished the job for the day. Let's see how F-Block does on Dorit OS. Oop. Always got to wait till 11 p.m. 319,000. Not bad. Not bad. Considering it's only 18% of the market. But we do have like 22 million in the bank. Oh my god. I just realized Dorit OS has $14 million. How did that happen? Look, I'm not complaining. But how did that happen? It's absolutely smashed FTunes 3 out of the wall. Maybe cutting our ties with all the other brick and mortar stores somehow. Or maybe just releasing F-Block for it helped out. I don't know, dude, but either way, it's now a most profitable piece of software. Is it the most profitable piece of software of all? It is of all time. It is the most profitable piece of software, of all time. Yeah. Look, I think I've done my job here. I have directed the best operating system in the history of humanity. Details. Can we see what used it? Oh, there's only been one program. Look at this. Oh! Maybe because they're like, oh, now it's actually safe because there's a antivirus for it. People are just holding off. Actually, where is your releases? No. What I want to do is operating system. Where do I see the market share? Oh, I guess I have to make a new piece of software. All right, so they're working on FTunes 4. I just want to see whatever visual tool. It's still 18% coverage. That doesn't make any sense to me. If we just sold $14 million worth of copies, how it could be so little coverage. I don't know. But either way, you know, I'm not complaining. We'll dump about, another 20 million into the insurance policies. There you go. Everyone should be really happy now. There you go. 36 million is in there. All right. So Flab OS is coming along nicely. Ftunes 4 is almost ready to go. Let's see how much Dorit OS makes tomorrow. Was that just a random spike that we got? Like, what was the deal with that? Nope. We made another $14 million. Huh. All right. Okay. How are we making $14 million? I feel like that's not right. I feel like something's gone wrong here at some point. Let's just chuck another 14 million in there. All right. There we go. How is that making... What? That doesn't make any sense to me. That can't be right. I mean, nothing is ever going to top that. Ever. Core dev. 42. Still don't need a new server. They really can deal with that server for a long time. Yeah, no, literally nothing will ever top that, I don't think. $33 million. Next to Sloth Base from 1989. Yeah, no, they got put in there. And it's probably still only 80% coverage, which makes no sense. All right. I just want to get Ftunes 4 out, then we'll call it a day. But I mean, we definitely have a successful piece of software or operating system. Our little company has done well. You guys did a great job. And nothing can ever fall. Another $14 million. Okay, I feel like... I mean, maybe that little error we had before caused an issue. I don't know. Am I just like really good at this game, which I find hard to believe? Or is something wrong here? We got 65 million in the insurance policy now. I mean, why does that make... What? All right, well... Yeah, sure. All right. Promote that, fixing the bugs, release it. There you go. Okay, sign that to marketing. Now, the core team, I would like you to do, I will end the video in a second. I just want to start the visual tool before I forget. F evolved. No, let's go. What is this? Visual tool. Oh, what happened to F movie? Can I, yeah, F movie. Let's do that. F movie 2 will be on core dev. And it will be on Dorit OS, obviously. Yeah, still only 80% coverage, even though we've somehow sold $14 million worth of copies over the last few days. 3D, QA, image editing. Oh, this is going to be great. F-Movie 2 is going to be fantastic. Start developing that. Right, well, I'm going to leave it there. Let me know if, how am I making that much money? I don't know. Has something just like clicked and we've suddenly got infinite money? I don't know. But either way, we'll continue on because I still want to do the initial idea where I said I want to get a game dev studio and then maybe we'll get another sort of team that does apps for our OSs and apps for others. I don't know. We'll see. I still want to expand, but I don't know. I don't know if something's gone wrong with the amount of money we earned there. But either way, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time and have an awesome day.